Good morning, Saugus. I'm Brandonn Francke, and today is Friday, January 19th.
And I'm Caden Weartherly, and this is
Today is also National Popcorn
What do you call a bad popcorn joke? What do you call a bad popcorn joke?
Corny. Please stand for the flag. Please stand for the flag salute.
Black flag, black flag.
All right. Ready? Begin. Ready?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All juniors who applied for Boys and Girls State can check for an interview schedule on the counseling office window and report today to your interview at the scheduled time. The interviews take place in the counseling office conference room.
The Jack Pistanetti Scholarship is a $6,000 scholarship given in honor of Jack, a Saugus High School graduate. The Pistanetti Scholarship will be given to a current Saugus senior planning to attend a 2 or 4-year college with a minimum 2.5 GPA. The application deadline is February 1st.
The SCV Scholarship Foundation is a collection of scholarships that are available through one application. Seniors who have attended school in the William S. Hart School District for 11th and 12th grade with a 2.0 GPA are eligible to apply February 1st.
Winter formal is February 10th. Formal ticket sales start at $40 without ASB and $35 with ASB. After the first 2 weeks, the price will go up $5, and they will be sold at the door for $50 for everyone.
If you would like to bring a non-Saugus guest, they must have a dance contract completed with a copy of a picture ID attached before their purchase ticket. The dance will be held in the Saugus gym, and the attire is semi-formal.
CSF applications for members can be picked up in Mrs. Culotta's room, Q1701. Applications are due no later than January 30th. Applications will be available on the Saugus website this week.
The 2018 senior play will be held Thursday at 7 p.m. in the NPR. Tickets are $5. Tickets are available at the door.
Seniors with a minimum 2.0 GPA who are applying to a college, vocational school, or an apprenticeship program, and also members of the PTSO may be eligible for a scholarship. The application deadline is February 9th.
Sierra Pacific Fly Fishers is looking for qualified applicants for the 2018 William L. Harry and Don L. scholarships. They will be awarding $4 $1,000 scholarships to applicants interested in environmental, marine, or outdoor-related areas. The application deadline is April 15th.
The founders of the Student Award Search Aid website are offering a $1,000 scholarship to students who browse their site. Juniors and seniors are both able to apply. The application deadline is May 22nd.
The Asian Pacific Fund offers scholarships ranging from $1,000 to $20,000. Some scholarships require at least a 50% Asian heritage, and others are open to all ethnicities. The deadline to apply is February 23rd.
Seniors of Italian descent who are Roman Catholic of 3.2 or higher may be eligible for the Italian Catholic Federation. The deadline to apply is March 15th.
The Regional Admissions Council of California will be hosting a mini college fair at Saugus during lunch on Tuesday, January 30th in the library. Admission representatives from colleges throughout the country will give a short presentation from each of their colleges, and there will be tables for students to come and ask them questions. All students are invited to come to this exciting college outreach event.
For more information and an application, you can visit the scholarship tab on the Saugus website. Let's go to Aiden Arevalo with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Aiden Arevalo with your sports news. Today's girls soccer plays Canyon. Frosh and JV play at 3:15 at Central Park, and varsity plays at 3:15 at Saugus. Boys soccer also plays Canyon today. Frosh plays at 3:15, JV plays at 6:30, and varsity plays at 5. All games are at Canyon High School. Girls basketball plays Canyon today. Frosh plays at 6:30 at Saugus, JV plays at 3:30 at Canyon, and varsity plays at 5 at Canyon. Boys basketball plays Canyon today as well. Frosh plays at 5:30 at Saugus. JV plays at Saugus. JV plays at Saugus. 30 and varsity plays at 6:30 at Canyon. 6:30 Good luck to all Centurion athletes. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. That's all for me. SNN wants you to eat healthy. SNN wants you to eat healthy. Here's a new segment that shares our recipes for great food.
Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with SNN, a program dedicated to sharing healthy cooking ideas that you can easily make at home. Today, we will be cooking a Hawaiian chicken and rice in a no-fuss, slow muss, or crock pot. First, start with 2 pounds of bone and chicken halves, quarters and legs. Use chicken with bones because it will enhance the flavor and moistness of your meal. Rinse and pat dry. Place the chicken in the pot and turn on low heat. Add 1 can of diced pineapple. Add 1 can of chicken stock or broth. Add 2 cups of teriyaki-style sauce. Add 2 cups of water and cover the cooker. Do this before you go to school, and the meal will be ready by dinner time that day. Let it cook for at least 5 hours. Right before dinner time, you'll need to make a rice. The water to rice ratio is 2 parts water, 1 part water, 1 part rice. So, make 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of boiling water, stirring often until the liquid has evaporated. Spoon chicken over the rice and enjoy. We hope this recipe helps you influence friends and impress your family. Till next time, this has been Cooking with SNN.
Delicious and so easy to make. I'm going to try it this weekend. Top Centurion auditions start January 30th.
Submit your favorite high school memories for the class of 2018 senior slideshow is a collection of photos and videos from the class of 2018 past 4 years at Saugus. Seniors can submit photos and videos to the email listed below. The deadline to submit is May 7th.
AP test registration has begun. For more information, check with your AP teachers or sign up via total registration. The deadline is February 9th p.m. at 3 p.m. Visit the website below to register.
Grad night tickets are still on sale February 20th or until they are sold out. Permission slips are available in the front office and must be completed to purchase a ticket. Grad night will be at Disneyland and California Adventure on May 22nd from 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. The next day. Tickets are $180 with an ASB card and then $190 without. The cost does include food and other items purchased at the park.
Valencia High School is offering an introduction to pharmacy aid. The class will meet on Mondays and Wednesdays from 4 to 7 p.m. This pharmacy career elective is the first elective preparation for the state of California Pharmacy Tech. See Mrs. Dahlquist in the counseling department or email her at the email below.
Film Club is having their first event of the semester today. They will be showing Jurassic Park and Q1710 at 3:30.
After a 16-hour day, the speech team had one of their most successful tournaments. They had 4 entries, and 3 out of 4 broke into the final round with some stellar results.
Congratulations to Joanna and Samantha Verez who took home medals for coming in 6th place in DUO interpretations. Joanna Verez also took home a first place trophy in expository speaking, and Sebastian Perez took home a first place trophy and original all 3 judges in their final round gave him first place.
That's all for today. I'm Brandonn Francke.
And I'm Caden Weartherly. Have a great day and we'll see you tomorrow.